Hello again, it's Noob, and here we have a little, I don't know which way round to put this. It's either this way round here or it's this way round. Most keyways are this way up, so it's almost like that lock needs to be like this. But this is a little Gunnebo. The tagline is for a safer world, apparently. I'm assuming a cabinet lock, or maybe at a push some kind of like low security safe deposit box lock. Gunnebo are a big, or at least medium sized international security solutions company. They do all sorts of things: safety deposit locks, entry systems, blah 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 blah. I don't know if they make their own locks or whether they just get them sort of made for them, rebadged with Gunnebo. But you know, they are quite a big company, like I said, and they do security solutions. So and yeah, there even has Gunnebo written on the key. So we're just going to put this little lever lock in a vise, and we'll give this a little pick. Looking at the key, it looks like it's got I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 levers in here by the looks of things. We can take this off. I assume that we can gut this if we do. So yeah, let's pop this in a vise and have a pick. So we're in the vise. I have the key. Let's just check everything works nicely. Unlock, lock, all good. It's quite a nice bitting on the key, actually, I have to say. You know, lots of ups and downs. I have a turning tool from an old Mad Bob's kit, and I also have a wire, also from an old Mad Bob padlock picking kit. So just got to get this all out. 2 seconds. So like that. Pop this one in like this. Give it a turn around, and I'm going to just check that I have the bolt step, because we have this in a vise. I can see this, but I can actually feel it as well, so that's good. I've got myself in the talon. Now this is tensioning quite far over, so I assume that the levers are all like this on this side rather than up and down like this. So we'll just give this a go. Make sure that my wire is in at the front, just to make sure. Did have, yeah, no, I was upside down. That would not have picked anything. Try that again, put it like that. Make sure it's turned around. There we go. Right. Okay, so lever 1, springy, 2, springy, 3, springy, 4, a little bit something, nice click. Nothing on 5. Okay, back to the front. 1, nothing. 2, nothing. 3, little something there. 4, a little click. 5, nothing. Okay, back to 1. Binding, I've got a little click out of that. 2, more movement. Let's try 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's go back to lever 1. Feels good. 2, 1, 2, 3, and we have the open. Look at that. Picked 3, and we have an open. So there doesn't seem to be any false gates in this whatsoever. It picked really nice and cleanly. So yeah, I really don't think this is a. How do I get this out? I really don't think this is a high security lock at all. I don't think it's meant to be a deposit box lock or anything like that. It seems very unlikely anyway. But you never know. I don't really fully know what this was for, so your guess is as good as mine. If you do know, if you happen to know what these are for, let me know in the comments. I imagine it's just a desk drawer lock, and being a 5 lever lock, it'd be, you know, moderate security. There aren't many people go around picking lever locks these days, that's for sure. Which is a shame, because they're such good fun to pick. So I think we just have to undo all of these screws. Won't take long. Oh, that's 1. Put them there. And 2. Put that there. Should just be able to lift this front plate off and put that over here. And then we can see the insides. Very, very cute here. I don't know what this is for, this little tail piece. It might be some kind of like anti-pick indicator thing, but is part of that center lever there. I don't really know. Let's have a look. If I put the key in, I should be able to show you how that works in reverse. Angle it right like that. So, oh, so you can see how we have the gate just here, and the key would lift the levers to the correct bitting, and the bolt stump would slide through the gate and to the other side. So yeah, let's take these levers out and have a bit of a look. So that's lever 1, lever 2. Feels quite heavy actually. It's a relatively thick piece of brass. Lever 3. There we go. No false gates, nothing special about these. So this is that strange lever, lever 4. I don't know why it's that shape. I genuinely don't. So if you do know, let me know. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on, I'm getting confused. I thought there was only 5 in this. Maybe it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How strange! It looks like there is actually 6 levers in this. Yeah. Okay. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is where, if I get my pick, I was tensioning in here like that. Can you see? I would have been trying to that goes across. Sorry, tension in the talon here at the back of the bolt to push this against the lever pack. So put that over here as well. So yeah, maybe this is, yeah, actually I suppose that is it's very thin, isn't it? It's position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 here. So that's a two steps. So maybe I picked those together. It's quite possible. This wire is relatively wide compared to the levers, so it's possible I picked levers 1 or 2 together. They're the same bitting, so that might be it. Then 3, 4, 5 and 6 there. So yeah, I mean, we picked it. It's a nice clean and easy pick. No false gates in there as well at all. Let me bring this up to the camera. You can see each one of those little levers there. Very cool, very nice. Nice little Gunnebo cabinet lock. Hope you enjoyed watching me pick that. If you did, leave a like. If you haven't subscribed, now's a great time to do so. And of course, if you have any questions or comments about this, know anything about why this 4th lever is this shape, is it an anti-pick indicator maybe, just let me know in the comments. I do read them all, reply to as many as I can, and of course I will see you all next time.